Good evening, this is my presentation in Path Pit Activity 3 Explain and I Understand. One of the most influential individuals in movement is Francois Delsarte. Francois Alexander Nicolas Cherry Delsarte, 19th November 1811 to 20 July 1871, was a French singer, orator, and coach. Though he achieved some success as a composer, he is chiefly known as a teacher in singing and declamation. Delsarte was born in Solesmes Nord. He became a pupil at the Paris Conservatory and for a time a tenor in opera comique and composed a few songs. While studying singing at the Conservatoire, he became unsatisfied with what he felt were arbitrary methods for teaching acting. He began to study how humans moved, behaved, and responded to various emotional and real-life situations. By observing people in real life and in public places of all kinds, he discovered certain patterns of expression eventually called the science of applied aesthetics. This consisted of a thorough examinations of voice, breath, movement, and dynamics. Encompassing all of the expressive elements of the human body, his hope was to develop an exact science of the physical expression of human, but he died before he had achieved his goals. What is the contribution of Francois to dance or movement education? Delsarte believed that expressive movement should relate to the emotion that inspired that movement. In addition, he introduced the idea of parallelism in movement, the simultaneous motion of two body parts in the same direction and in succession. What is the equivalent of the visual arts revolution for the movement of arts? Delsarte coached preachers, painters, singing, composers, orators, and actors in bodily expression of emotion. His goal was to help clients connect their inner emotional experience with the use of gesture. Delsarte categorized ideas related how emotions are expressed physically in the body, various rules, laws, or principles. These laws were organized by Delsarte in charts and diagrams. Delsarte did not teach systemically but rather through inspiration of the moment, and left behind no publication on his lesson. In America, Delsarte theories were developed into what became known as the American Delsarte system. So what are the critical contributions of Francois Delsarte to movement? A performer and teacher of voice and movement, Francois Delsarte developed a theory of expression that influenced modern dance, actor training, poetic recitation, silent film, and physical culture in the early 20th century. Thank you.